Hello, my name is Matthew Sauer. I am the SLI product manager for Canadian Energy, and I'm just going to give you guys a couple tips on how to properly maintain your battery. And this is any battery, so RV, marine, or a vehicle. If you are going to be storing it for longer than 2 weeks, this is probably something that you want to look into getting. It's just a simple battery maintainer. The one that I'm holding right now is a 12 volt 5 amp hour. So that really is the definition of maintenance. You're not going to get a full deep charge with a charger like this. If you're going to be storing your vehicle, automotive, you can disconnect the terminals. And then you're just going to want to hook up the charger to the positive and negative. And in a full automatic charger, obviously if this was going to be plugged into 120 volt AC, this would automatically turn on, and you're just going to want to keep it on normal setting. And that's it. That's the beautiful thing about an automatic charger. Same thing goes with RV and marine. At the end of the season, pull your batteries out, put them inside the garage, keep them charged up, especially in cold climates. If you let your battery discharge, there's a chance that you'll actually freeze your battery. And the only other real maintenance tip for a sealed battery would be to make sure that the terminals are nice and clean and that there's no corrosion on them. So a nice simple wire brush. Again, get in there, clean the terminals, clean the battery connections, your cable lead ends. Let's say you do frequently go on trips and you are parking your vehicle multiple times a year and leaving it for weeks on end. You could have these quick connects already on the battery, and then when you're going on a trip, you just connect the battery maintainer to the pigtails. It's already connected to your battery, and then you just go on your vacation or wherever you're going to head, and yeah, you can leave it.